In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a travel planner in Notion. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to streamline your travel planning process, Notion can be an incredibly powerful tool to keep everything organized and in one place. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, open Notion and create a new page. This is where all the magic will happen. So take a moment to think about how you want your travel planner to flow. Once you've opened your new page, you can rename it to something like Travel Planner to keep things neat and tidy. Next up, you'll want to add a table or list database. This serves as the backbone of your planner, providing a structured space to log your travel details. In the case of a travel planner, a table might be best as it allows for easy visual tracking of various details. To do this, click on the Add a Block button and choose either Table or List. This will create a new database on your page. Take a deep breath, because your organizer is well on its way. Now that you have your database, it's time to add some columns. Think of what information you'll need to have on hand for each trip. Start with destination. After all, knowing where you're going is key. Follow this with dates to mark when you plan to travel, budget to track your spending, and notes for anything else that's important about your trip. Maybe you want to pack a special outfit. Or remember that a certain restaurant requires reservations. Notes are a flexible space for that kind of information. For our next step, let's create subpages within your database for detailed itineraries. Subpages are incredibly useful because they let you focus on smaller details of each trip without cluttering your main planner. Within each entry of your main table, you can click Add a Page in the appropriate row for a particular trip. This opens up a whole new page nested within your trip entry where you can jot down day-to-day plans, restaurant reservations, or even activity lists. It's a great way to keep everything from the big picture to the finer details well organized. And there you have it. With Notion, setting up a travel planner is both straightforward and customizable. By having structured rows and organized subpages, you've created an intuitive system that can be tailored as you refine your travel plans. As you use your travel planner more, don't hesitate to tweak it to better suit your habits and needs. Notion's flexibility means there's always room for improvement as you discover what works best for you. I hope this tutorial helps you on your way to becoming a Notion travel planning pro. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Notion and productivity tips. Safe travels and happy planning.